Doing Nothing, J.B. Priestley. I had been staying with a friend of mine, an artist and delightful lazy fellow, at his cottage among the Yorkshire fells, and some 10 miles from the railway station, as we had been fortunate enough to encounter a sudden spell of the really warm weather. Days after day, we were set off in the morning, taken to the nearest moorland track and climbing to the leisure until we had reached somewhere about 2000 feet above the sea level, and had then spent long golden afternoon lying flat on the back doing nothing. বলছে এরকম আমি একটা ফ্রেন্ডের সাথে গেছিলাম একটা ট্রেকিংয়েতে, যেটা অনেক দূরে ছিল, যেটা বলেছে ওখানে একটা সুন্দর জায়গা ছিল, ওয়েদারটা খুব সুন্দর ছিল, আমি ওখানে অনেক টাইম কাটিয়েছি শুয়ে শুয়ে কিছু না করে চুপচাপ। There is nothing lounger place than the moor. It is a kind of clean bare attached untouchable or to the heaven, and beneath its apparent monotony that offers the immediate excitement, no absorbing drama of sound and color. There is suitable variety, it is sound